Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted post on Facebook. So let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the settings option which you can find in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find the activity log option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. In the activity log, look for the trash option. Tap on it to see all the posts you have deleted within the last 30 days. Select the post that you want to restore. Now, tap on the restore option to proceed. A confirmation message will appear. Tap restore option again to confirm and restore your deleted posts on Facebook. And that's it. This is how you can restore deleted posts on Facebook. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.